So how is the weather going to be for events that are happening today?
There's going to be spotty showers, rain showers around through the day, scattered right now all the way up until about 11 o'clock, and then we'll bring that chance down to a more isolated chance for some rain for the afternoon hours. As we're heading into the evening hours, the chance for rain goes back up, and that's actually going to be a severe weather chance as well. Hey, I want to start you off in Indiana, this Indiana County, and just north of Indiana, right around the rain area. You can see just all of the rain that continues to come there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take that rain away, and I just want to kind of examine and see just how much rain that they have seen over about the last hour or so. We're looking at upwards of about an inch and a half of rain that's come in those communities. So some water on roads certainly is going to be possible as that cell continues to move off to the north. So if you're in the city of Indiana, right up there around rain, if you're thinking about heading out right now, you might want to wait just a little bit to let those levels go down, to let those roads start to dry out just a little bit before you head out. Also have some rain showers. Mostly this is going to be in eastern parts of Allegheny County, just a light, steady rain at this point, and a couple of showers right along the Ohio, West Virginia, and Pennsylvania state line. This is right around the Steubenville area that we're looking at. Severe weather chance comes after 8 o'clock tonight. Strong wind speeds is the biggest concern that we'll have there. Here's a look at model data showing this morning. A chance for some scattered showers sticking around through around 11 or noon. That will move out. We will still have a chance. Very spotty showers for most of the rest of the afternoon. Could have some heavier downpours maybe as soon as 5 or 6 o'clock for places in the Laurels to the east. And we'll continue to have that rain chance. It'll be spotty, but still some rain chances for the evening hours. And if we see any severe weather, that's likely when it's going to happen. Our severe weather chances are low, but they are still there for the day. Overall, we're looking at a 60% chance for rain today. I'll bring it down to 40%, still in the scattered range for your Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and on Wednesday. Each one of those days, I'll put it isolated, your rain chance that we'll have. 63, your temperature right now. Hey, the Pittsburgh airport showing some rain falling at this point. The dew point coming in 60 degrees. Winds are still interesting enough out of the north at the surface at 5 miles an hour. Even though we had this moisture moving in the mid-levels, the winds are coming in out of the south. Temperatures today, here they are, 63 in Pittsburgh, Katanning 64, 65 in Irwin, and Waynesburg coming in at 64 degrees. Highs today, I have it still into the upper 70s. Wouldn't be surprised if we struggle just to get into the mid 70s today. Depends on the rain when it is set to arrive, in 62 in the overnight hours. Obviously, we have a big football game both today and tomorrow at Acrisure Stadium. It's going to be busy at the stadium. Pitt Panthers are in town taking on, well, the Cincinnati is in town. Bearcats, I believe, taking on Pitt. We're looking at temperatures probably mid to upper 70s as the game starts at 6:30. Yes, there's a storm chance as the sun goes down, but I really think that the stadium won't be impacted by any of those storms. Can't rule it out. It just looks like right now that there's a solid chance that most of those storms are off to the east during the game time. Do want to quickly show you Hurricane Lee. It's currently a Category 3 storm. While most data still continues to keep it well out to sea, there is a chance that it could be looking at a landfall and somewhere like right around the Maine area. That would be late next week, so we got a while for that. Hey, look at our forecast. Man, we turn cool heading into next weekend.